Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Robeline, and today I'm gonna prepare our dinner, and our recipe for today is fried rice. So I'm gonna put ground beef and vegetables. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to put ground beef into the pan, to our electric stove. So I already throw this out. I will need the bigger scissors. Okay. So I'm gonna use only like 1/4 of this, just to make a flavor for my fried rice. So we make some oil from this meat, and I'm gonna chop a little bit of onions to make it smells good and tastier. And here's our rice, guys. So we have leftover rice, and these are the vegetables that I'm gonna use, so it will become delicious. Okay guys, let's have a little bit of onion, because I love the taste of beef and onion. This kind of onion, not the white one. It's really tasty and delicious. Okay, I wash it, and then let me cut into little piece, not long. The long ones is okay, but I want it smaller so my kids can eat it too, because they don't like a long vegetables. They will skip eating vegetables, guys. Okay, so let's saute this for 5 minutes. You can tell, guys, by looking at the onion. It's not white anymore. It's like cooked. I can smell the onions. Can you see this? Is delicious. For the rice, guys, I just want to use my hand to smash this, because it's hard and I burned it. That's why they are like brown, but these are still like soft. They're not really hard. Okay, my rice are already touched by my magic hand. Okay, now I need to wash my hands. Okay, let's go back. These are cooked now. Let's cook the veggies, guys. Okay, let's cut the mixed veggies and pour this on the stove. These vegetables, guys, are already cooked, so we will just season this until it becomes hot, and we will try to cook the rice. Let me put oyster sauce, soy sauce, garlic powder, and pepper, also thrown at the end on the rice. Smells good. Let's put pepper, garlic powder. I also put chicken powder. Now, guys, I'm gonna put the rice slowly. This is black because of the burnt rice, but it's still soft, guys. Okay, let's mix together, and I'll put a little bit of salt at the end. This one looks good now. It smells good now, guys. So let's try to taste it, guys. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Here's the salt. Some fish, just for a taste. It looks yum now. So comment down below, guys, if it looks delicious for you. This will be our dinner, and I love it because of the meat, the vegetables, and the seasoning. Okay, I think this is cooked now. This stove is really good. Very useful for me. Okay, done. Okay guys, here's my fried rice. Smells good. Let's taste it. Flavorful. Still hot. Thank you guys for watching. That's all for today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye!